Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy health solutions with CVS Health step by step clearly. To deploy health solutions with CVS Health, start by identifying the specific needs of your organization or community. Conduct a thorough assessment to understand the healthcare gaps and opportunities. Engage with key stakeholders, including healthcare providers, patients, and community members, to gather insights. Research the range of services and products offered by CVS Health that align with your needs. Explore the CVS Health innovation initiatives and programs available for partnerships. Schedule a meeting with a CVS Health representative to discuss collaboration options. Discuss your project's objectives, target population, and desired outcomes during the meeting. Request relevant case studies or success stories from CVS Health to inform your approach. Develop a project plan outlining the roles, responsibilities, and timeline for implementation. Secure necessary funding and resources to support the deployment of health solutions. Prioritize training and education for your team on the new systems and processes. Collaborate with CVS Health to customize solutions for your specific environment. Implement pilot programs to test the effectiveness of the proposed health solutions. Gather feedback from participants during the pilot phase to gauge impact. Analyze the pilot results to make informed decisions about wider implementation. Establish metrics to measure success, such as patient engagement and health outcomes. Launch the full-scale deployment of health solutions in collaboration with CVS Health. Monitor and evaluate the deployment continuously to ensure quality and effectiveness. Adapt strategies as needed based on ongoing feedback and changing healthcare needs. Maintain open communication with CVS Health for additional support and resources as required. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.